before we even get to the correct rhythm and meter, before we even begin to chant, what is the prerequisite of chanting? It's the capacity to listen. Because sound has its opposite, talking has its opposite. In the world, everything is pairs of opposites. And what's the opposite of talking and chanting? Because chanting is pre-talking, if you like. It's mauna, silence. And in the silence, we can listen. And we could then we have the capacity as humans to tune in to the same state that the rishis were in when they were just in that state of mauna, listening, receiving the primal sounds, the sounds of the Sanskrit language. And in that open state, in that state of being able to receive, tuning into the sounds, not just of Sanskrita, but of the universe, even of you as a person. What's your sound, you know? Tuning into those sounds. That comes before chanting. And then you see, what's the state of the heart, even before we open our mouth and chant? Is it what? Hridaya, our heart. Is it shuddha? Is it pure? Is it open? Is it willing? Is it without any expectation? And then we put into that open receptive state, we begin to chant in Sanskrit with this perfectly metrical system where the sounds touch all the different parts of our mouth and body, so much so that we're practicing internal yoga of sound. And then the chants themselves can not only have spiritual or psychological impact, but could help the digestive system, could help relieve muscle ache, whatever. They have infinite capacity.